Carl is thinking about a new project, and he is interested in the best food and beverage technologies to develop it. What he lacks is a digital tool that puts him in touch directly with Italian and international technologies producers. Cibus Tec has developed the right solution for Carl. MyBusiness Cibus Tec, a powerful search tool for the best food and beverage solutions and technologies. The MyBusiness Cibus Tec platform is available exclusively to national and international food and beverage industry professionals. Carl must therefore provide details of his company and his job position. Once he has received his login credentials, he just has to log in to MyBusiness Cibus Tec, where the best technological partners and their solutions are waiting for him. Searching for the technologies of his interest will be very easy for Carl. He simply enters a keyword, the system processes it, and shows the results in 3 separate windows. The first and the second window show all the results as images, sorted by technologies and lines. The third window shows the technologies and lines by company. Carl is delighted, so much choice! To narrow down his research, he can use filters such as fields of application or more specific technologies. And here's the solution he was looking for. MyBusiness Cibus Tec also includes a tab with more details about the company. Carl can use this tab to send a direct request to the company and obtain all the necessary information about the main features of the solution he is looking for. And what if Carl needs help? The platform's user interface includes a window for contacting MyBusiness Cibus Tec staff directly. Thanks to MyBusiness Cibus Tec, Carl has come in touch directly with the best food and beverage technology companies and discovered the latest innovations comfortably from his office desk. Try MyBusiness Cibus Tec for yourself.